crafters, and welcome to the wrap up of the P2P Crafts Winter Online Craft Show, brought to you by From Picture to Page Beyond paper craft shows, nurturing creativity with in-person and online events. Now, the last 2 days have had a fantastic lineup of a whole heap of demonstrations covering card making, scrapbooking, off the page, mixed media, and more. There's been such a great collection. So if you've missed anything and want to catch up on the details of the retailers, head over to our website from picturetopageandbeyond.com.au. Scroll down to the Winter Online Craft Show and you can see all the list of retailers there. Plus find out how to get in touch through their website, through their socials, their Facebook pages, and make sure you reach out and catch up with them. Now, we've had such a fantastic day today. Firstly, I need to give a big thank you to both Wendy and Jenny, my co-hosts, that have been really here to support us, doing a heap of behind the scenes. Like everything, you don't see everything that goes on when you just sit in the front of the camera. There's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes to make it work, changing scenes between, changing our outfits, changing our hair, getting our scripts ready. So there is so much that goes on. So Wendy and Jenny were a really good support to me over the last couple of days. Of course, a huge thank you to Carolyn Ahern and Travel Managers. Now, Travel Managers is a network of home-based travel agents that can provide our support for our next adventures. And Carolyn, being a paper crafter, has a particular way of being able to bring our paper crafting and art travel to life. So make sure you head to the From Picture to Page website and head out and check out Carolyn's socials, and then get in touch next time you are planning something big, because it is really nice to have Carolyn and the Travel Managers team behind you when you need it, when you travel. And again, what an amazing day we had. So we started off with Alison, and she showed us some fantastic ink blending techniques, which were just really stunning. We had Kathy with eclectic images and her amazing dragonfly card, and I just wish we could see that in real life, because I think the sparkle would be amazing. We had Jen with Hillbilly Scrapping with their amazing and unique card making and scrapbooking kits. And again, just what a unique way of bringing together those pages with the instructions and all the support there. So whether you're a beginner or more advanced, just looking for something to help you through, then they are great kits. So please go check out the Hillbilly Scrapping website. Mixed media art, and I did a gorgeous Marlene inspired mixed media card. I hope that gives you some inspiration to perhaps use some paints in a different way than you might normally. And again, taking some of those techniques and thinking about composition when we take them into our other paper crafts. We had Danny with Crafters Cupboard and those gorgeous little memory decks arts. It was just such a lovely way of bringing together, again, a lot of those techniques, whether it's your gel printing or your card making and your collage, and then putting them in a really fun way of displaying them. So thank you so much to Danny and Jennifer from Crafters Cupboard. And then I had the best time wrapping up the day with Mel from Scrapbooking and Crafts, and I am just blown away by her napkin art and the idea of using that Glad wrap for adhesive or using the gel medium, and whether you're putting it onto a backing card first or straight into your art journal. There was just so many different tips there, as well as separating the layers of napkins. And anyway, I don't need to tell you. Those who saw it, saw it. Those who haven't seen it, go back and watch the replay. And of course, a huge thank you to all of you, our paper crafting community. Without you, we'd all just be here sitting, talking to ourselves. So thank you so much for watching our sessions, for supporting our retailers, for following their socials. If you had a good day, we would love you to pop over to our Facebook review page and let us know, and let everyone know that you had a good time, perhaps what your favourite things were. And of course, once you've done sharing and crafting, we would love for you to pop in our Papercraft Posse group, which is our very own little corner of Facebook for us paper crafters with From Picture to Page. And it's such a lovely way to share what you're working on, get some feedback, ask questions. A lot of the retailers are in that group as well, so it can be a way of reaching out and getting in touch with them as well. Thanks, Pat. No, we really did have a great time, and we learned so much. There's just so many different things. There's always new products. It's sometimes good to see techniques that you've seen before in new and different ways as well, because we really do want to make sure we're getting the best out of all of our paper crafting supplies. And you know, a lot of us are so limited for time these days. It's really nice to be able to have a few little ideas brewing, so when we do get that time to sit down and craft, we've got so many things to do. And I certainly know I'll be chasing up some of them as well. So, as we keep saying, thank you so much for your support, for sharing and liking and sharing us with your crafting friends. And again, for all the details of all these sessions that we had, plus the repeats and the upcoming in person shows, head over to our website from picture to page and beyond.com.au. We're going to see many of you in about 8 weeks' time, I think, where we head down to Sandown, and we're so looking forward to catching up with you there. And then, of course, putting together some amazing plans for 2023. So thank you all so much for your time, for your creativity, for your crafting, for the love that you shared to each other and supported our retailers as well. So this is Michelle signing off. I hope you have had a very, very crafty day.